Hailstorms are severely affecting various parts of the world, including Italy. On Wednesday, May 22nd, the city of Santina in the province of Turin was hit by a storm with golf ball-sized hailstones. This unusual weather phenomenon caused significant damage in the region. Residents of Santina saw their parked vehicles dented and windows shattered, and many houses suffered window damage. The storm disrupted daily life, leaving some homes without electricity and plunging entire neighborhoods into darkness. Local hospitals were also affected, though the population did not suffer major injuries. The severity of the situation led authorities to declare a state of emergency, quickly mobilizing resources